Morning traders, Nick Master Dre, Market Dealers here to bring our daily market bias video for Tuesday, September 17th. It's approximately 5 a.m. on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia traded mainly to the downside with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange, which is up fractionally at this particular time. Currently right now in Europe, it is current ongoing as Europe is open trading. Europe is trading mainly to the downside with the exception of the London FTSE exchange and the Paris exchange, both of which are trading up fractionally at this particular point. Now, if we were to take a look at more correlations as it stands. US dollar is trading fractionally higher. Up until a little while ago, it was trading lower. That has since changed somewhat. The bonds themselves are trading higher. And the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average will point to a lower open. Gold is trading lower. Crude is trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets. At 9:15, we have capacity utilization, also industrial production now at the same time. At 10 a.m., we have Naval Housing Market Index. This is major and approved market mover. And then at 4 p.m. this afternoon, we have long-term purchases. This shouldn't have any effect on the markets because it's coming out at 4 p.m. after the market closes. So we don't see it really having any kind of effect on this particular session. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias is we're not really seeing very much in the way of correlation. We see the crude oil trading lower, which is obviously a positive thing. Gold is trading lower. However, the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. U.S. dollar is trading up only fractionally at this particular point, as are the bonds, if you will. So, not necessarily seeing very much in the way of true correlation and true direction. Hence, we're maintaining a neutral bias, if you will, at this particular time. Could this change? Absolutely. I think it's possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.